June 1st, Stock Playbook. Dow Jones down 279 points, 2.2%. NASDAQ Composite was down 66 points, 2.3%, as was the S&P 500, down 30 points, 2.3%. We nailed this cold. We felt we were due for pullback in May. More substantial than this little pullback. We said we don't go straight down. We'll get a bounce end of the month, May. We got that bounce. Yesterday was a little bigger than what we expected, but we maintained that it was a good opportunity to short stocks. We rolled over today. I ultimately still think we have a date with the 200-day moving average and a test of this 1250 level. Probably take it out 1240 on that pullback. That's when and where I'll start buying stocks from an investing standpoint. Now, there's still trades to be made in these moves up and down. But from an investment standpoint, you need to buy them when they're out of favor. And right now, I'm just making my watch list and looking at stocks that I already own and where I'd like to add some more. One that comes to mind, Calix, C-A-L-X. Calix provides broadband communication access systems to residential and business communication service providers, pulling back into its 50-day moving average. 50 days acted as support. Again, if this market continues lower, I think Calix will come in some more. But if Calix was to pull back in some more, we'd definitely be willing to buy some more of this from an investment standpoint. NXPI is our favorite electronic semiconductor, Netherlands-based company, provider of mixed signal analog power management. This is the company that makes the digital wallet, chips in the cell phones that you can just tap on a little or wave in front of something and you can automatically pay your bill, making credit cards obsolete going forward. Really like this company. I like the fact that it's pulling back on light volume, just consolidating this huge gains. Hard for me to get bullish on stock at 27 that we were all over when it came out and when it was at 13 and 14. But, a little bit more of the downside. Like I said, you want specific game plans. This is just a little sample of what we do. Sign up for a free trial of the Stock Playbook. You can hear our main, videos where we outline exactly what we're doing. If you're not investing, you're trading. And I'm not talking day trading. It's difficult. But Catalyst, swing trading. Daktronics is a stock we liked heading into their earnings. If you could look at the weekly chart here, you could see the stock was in a downtrend. We liked it into their earnings, which came out today. Even with the market that was down, this stock had a nice pop. We had the $10 calls that we recommended almost 2 weeks ago. And those of you who bought them, excess of a couple of 100% you made on your investment. DAKT. Take some profits. Vera Bradley is one we had on our radar tonight after the close. We said we want to keep an eye on it if they have a good report, which they did. They beat by a penny. Revenues slightly better than expectations. Guidance was mixed. But Vera Bradley is down in the aftermarket. I see the stock going by at $42, $43 a share. On this pullback, I think Vera Bradley will set up for a nice trade. Again, sign up for the free trial of the Stock Playbook. We'll give you our actual game plan. Ulta Salon, ULTA, one of our favorite long-term investments. Also coming up on a nice trading opportunity with earnings coming out shortly. Check out how we're playing that with the $50 calls, and the $55 calls. We're going to do a little call spread. Again, check out our video and we'll tell you how to play that into their earnings. That's it for the Stock Playbook. Have a good night. I'll talk with you tomorrow.